guys, this time I've got my sister with me and we're gonna open lots of some surprises. Let's open a Play-Doh surprise first. See who we got. Well, we've got Candy Cat. Now let's open one of these. These look very new, and they are very new. Well, this time we have K. Short name. Open another Play-Doh surprise. Now, do you want to open one? What one do you want to open?
That one.
You'll have to sit over here so they can see you in the video. We've got chocolatey. Quickly, I can't see. Yeah, my sister's just moving chairs because I couldn't see her. Now you can, she's right there. Here, open this one, open it up, and I'll tell you the name of it. Well, give it to me. It is Cakey K. That one is, this one's name is just K, but this one's name is just Cakey K. Then another one of these.
But it won't open.
And this time you have to build this one.
That one and that one.
See, you've got lots of pieces. One piece. Now where are the rest? Here they are. And the body. Now where is the other part of the body of it? Might be a horse, I don't know. Some animal tail. A piggy nose. Horse head. Something interesting.
That was another
I
one.
don't know what semester do. Tell me in the comments if you did.
That was another one. Maybe 1, 2, 5.
No, that doesn't go there. What did you say?
I wonder why.
You can't play in a video. You can play after the video. And here's his nose. I don't know what he is. Yeah, doesn't have a tail or name on it.
We want to eat later.
Not eating it. Otherwise you'll get very, very sick.
Hey, oh.
Yes, you will. You will get very terribly sick. And it was a horse. I was right. Oh, I'll tell you the name of it. Horsey. That's the name of it. Didn't come on the fly. Let's open another one of these. Oh, we've got... Can I show I'll get the flip? I actually don't know his name. I just knew it. Oh yeah, he's Candy Shoe. He likes candies. You can see in the movie, I'll show you. Oh, it's Candy Cat. See? Meow. Bye guys. Tell me in the comments if you like this video. Bye. Don't do that.